Now, the treatment of warts, some warts, they resolve on their own, so the immune system of the body just naturally gets rid of the warts. Some medications are also available, including salicylic acid. Salicylic acid exfoliates the skin of the wart, and there's an immune response by the body, and if you do this repeatedly, it can lead to the removal of the wart. Other medications include imicrimod, which is a drug which increases the amount of interferons which are present in the area affected by the virus, and this leads to a removal of the wart by the immune system. And there's also some procedures which could be performed physically to remove the wart. For example, cryotherapy, which is where we freeze the wart with some kind of liquid nitrogen. Other basic treatment methods include using duct tape placed over the wart, and if this is done repeatedly, the wart eventually gets removed. There's been enough trials, even though there's no medication being used, that duct tape can be proven to be effective. Laser treatment may also be available, including a carbon dioxide laser, but it may lead to scarring in the area.